Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today is going to be a get ready with me, just my natural summer go-to look, especially when it's super muggy out here and I just feel the need that I really don't need to wear a full face of makeup because I sweat and it's so uncomfortable. Anyhow, I got this cute little floral shirt on that I bought from our dens. I'm just going to pull it up because it's super low cut, it has buttons, and then it ties up, and it was like buy one get one 50% off. I was like, yes please. And it was funny because me and Amanda, we were out a while ago and I actually held up this shirt. I was like, oh my god, I love this, and she's like, it's so you. So I bought it. There we go. So today me and my mom and the kids were going to go out. And I thought, what better way to start this day when I do a get ready with you guys and just show you my simple go-to makeup for the summer. Excuse the friend on my nose because he just happened last night. Surprise! Hello, Nicole. Hi, how are you? Great. Love it. Just makes my nose just a little bit more red. Gotta love that. So to conceal this, I am going to go in with my Joe Fresh concealer, illuminating concealer, and this one here is in the shade Light. And I'm just going to put a little tiny bit on it because I don't want to have like too much concealer on my nose. My little mini e.l.f. little tiny mini sponge, and I'm just going to tap that slightly into my skin because I really don't want a lot of makeup on my face today because this is just my natural go-to summer look. There we go. He's as concealed as best as I can get it. Perfect. So if you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been posting Friday vlogs because I've started planning my 31 days of Halloween, and that takes a lot, like a lot. It's a lot of work, a lot of dedication, and I enjoy it so much. So my plan is to get a lot of videos done, and probably on those days like Fridays, then I'll just get up early in the morning, super early in the morning, and do my Halloween looks because I really want to knock it out of the ballpark this year for you guys. I really want to push myself outside the limit, and I want to become more creative with my looks. And the lineup that I got going on this year, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really super excited for it. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So that's why right now there's like not, like you might see a scattered Friday vlog here and there, and sometimes you might not see any, but this is the reason why. But trust me, once my life kind of gets not so busy with the 31 days of Halloween, and that then I will be back on track doing the Friday vlogs. So don't worry, they will be back. It's just on pause for now. So a while back I went into Sephora and I was like, hey, I really want glowy skin. I want to embrace my freckles and I just want to have beautiful glowy skin. So they recommended me this little sample pack here. I just wanted to try it. So I did get the Drunk Elephant d-bronzi because I do use my Drunk Elephant protini. So you can mix anything in with this to create your own skincare line that you want, let's just say. So I wanted this glowy, beautiful, glowy finish to kind of emphasize my freckles more. So Lauren had suggested this, and I'm still using it. So a little bit of this goes a long way. If you want to have super bronzy skin and look like you're tanned, this will do it, because when she swatched it on her hand went totally dark. I was like, I don't want that. I don't want to be like, because I mean, I don't tan, as you could tell. I'm like, what is a ghost? So I just wanted enough to give a bit of glow to my skin. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you how I mix these two together. Small amount right here on my pinky. And what I do is I just wipe it on the top of that. So there you go. You can see how dark that is. And then I just take one pump of the protini and I mix the two together. So you could still see that's a little bit too dark. So what I like to do is just take the one little tiny dot of the d-bronzi and mix with the protini. So that's still too dark. So then I go in and I pump it again. And by the time the second time I pump it, then it should like really lighten up. So there we go. And then I just take this and apply it to my skin. And I do bring it down my neck just to give my skin that nice extra glow. Because you know, you can't forget about your neck. So what have you guys been up to? What's new with everybody? Love to know. Let me know what kind of products do you use in the summertime for glowy skin. Also, let me know where you're from. Is it like super, super warm where you're from? Is it cold? Do you have the S word right now, which I don't want to say? Because before you know it, that'll be here sooner than later. Now, to make my face look nice and shimmery, like, you know when you see those pictures and magazines and all that stuff where their skin looks so glowy and shimmery, and I'm like, I want that in my life right now. I did get a sample of the Becca liquid highlighter, and this one here is in Moonstone. So I just take a little tiny bit of this, like that much, and I just place it right here on top of my cheekbones. And I just rub it right into my skin. Sometimes I do mix this in with the Protini and the D-bronzer, but then other days I just want to apply it straight up on my face as like a beautiful highlighter. So you can mix it in together, but today I'm not going to do that. I'll put a little bit on my nose. There we go. Add more glow to my face. I am going to go in with the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I am obsessed with this palette. I did a haul and I showed you guys this in the haul, and I even said that I've been using it before I purchased it. No, that doesn't make sense. I used it before I purchased it. I used it before I hauled it. And I love the fact that these are 2 cream products, and then you have that little plastic divider so your powder products won't get into it. And of course, you know, like this red blush, you're like, oh my goodness, I'm so afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it, because it's so beautiful. Like, it looks super, super pigmented, but once you apply it to your skin and then just blend it out, it gives you that beautiful, like, fleshy, blushy tone. Just gives like a gorgeous natural blush tone to your skin, which I absolutely love. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to go in with my Beach Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray brush. Just took a little tiny bit of it on to my brush, and I just like stipple it on first, and then I just blend it out. So see how nice and warm my cheeks look? I just love that. So don't be afraid of that blush. Like, if you guys have been eyeing this palette for a long time and you're just like, oh, that red blush, I don't know about that. If you're fair like me, it will be beautiful on your skin. It'll be beautiful on anyone's skin tone. You don't need to be afraid of how dark red that is, because as you could tell, it just blends out so nice. So now for the powder products, I'm going to go in with the Glow Extreme, which is right here. And I'm going to use this as a highlight. I am going in with my Beach Cosmetics highlighting brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and pop it on the tip of my nose, because it has such a beautiful gold, like pinky shift. Gold's pink shift to it. What am I trying to say, Nicole? I don't know. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my Cupid's bow, and then just right here for a bit of highlight. Now I'm going to also take some of that and just place it on top of my lids, just to give a little bit of a sparkle and just a natural look. Also, I just want to mention, I went and had my second tragus done. I had it done a couple of weeks ago from Hannah from Skin City. She actually did my first tragus, and we got this one changed out, and it's an opal. I have to tell you guys, if you live in St. John's area, or if you live in Newfoundland in general, and you are coming to town and you really want to get a piercing, go see her. She is absolutely amazing. I do believe it's on Duckworth Street. I think that's where it's to. She is so kind, so nice, so sweet. I'm going to leave her Instagram info down below for you guys to check her out, because when she did my traguses, like, I was so nervous, so worked up about it. And I was like, oh my God, am I going to hear that popping sound that people say they hear? I didn't hear anything. It was like, she put the needle in, earring in, done. And I was like, wow, this one, the next day was like healed completely. This one here, however, is taking quite some time. I don't know why. I think maybe it's because like I do sleep on that side, but At that same time, I do roll up a blanket, like a little blanket underneath, and just place it under my head like a donut, so there's no pressure. So I don't know why that one is taking a little bit longer, but she has on hold for me a sun and a moon earrings to go in them, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put them in. I think they're gonna look so super cute. So for my lashes, I'm not going to put on any false lashes because this is just an easy go-to summer glowy look that when it's super warm out and I just want my face to look like, you know, nice and pretty without having heavy makeup on. These are my go-to mascara primer and mascara. They are by Marc Jacobs. I love this primer. Love any mascara primer in general. And this is the Marc Jacobs, and it's the Velvet Primer. I don't know why I had to look at the name of it, but apparently I did. So I just go in with a couple of coats at first with the primer. Now it looks like my lashes disappeared. I mean, I already got small lashes as is, but now they really look like they're gone. But anyhow, I'm just gonna apply some more of this primer, and I wait for like a second for it to dry. And then I go in with the mascara. And this is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. Love this mascara as well. Love the wand on it. It's really nice and fluffy. And the mascara is really gorgeous, super pigmented. And it applies so nice. Like, it doesn't become clumpy or anything like that. It is a really good mascara. Like, look at the difference. I mean, yes, this side looks like there's nothing there. Like, no lashes. They're all gone, Nicole. But anyhow, it just makes my lashes look really nice and full. And I just love that mascara primer. Like I said, in general, I love any mascara primer. I used to use the L'Oreal Paradise Primer Mascara. Yeah, that's a good one too. Really, really like that. So if you guys haven't used any mascara primers, you need to, because I'm telling you right now, it makes a big difference in your lashes. So next up is my brows, and I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Dip Brow Gel. This one here is in taupe. This one is the mini size. I think it's like $17 if I'm not mistaken. Anyhow, I like this because this is just super easy. I really don't put a lot of effort into my brows. I know that's bad, but I'm just not a fan of my brows. I'm really not. So I like this because this is just easy and simple to pop into the brows. And I have to say that this shade matches my brows perfectly. Like, look at the difference from this brow now to this brow. Like, this one looks so much more finished. And it's just really easy. So if you guys aren't into doing like your brows and you just want something easy, definitely pick up the mini size in this one because I really like it. It applies the product so nicely and it just stays there all day too in the brows. I mean, Anastasia brow products are amazing. Like, I absolutely love them. So there we go, brows all done and finished. Now for my lips, there are two products that I like to use. And the first one here is by MAC, and it's the Disney collection, and it's the Aladdin collection. This one here is Friend Like Me, and it's such a beautiful nude tone lipstick. The smell of lipsticks from MAC, I could just eat them. I just take that then, and I go ahead, apply it to my lips, and it's so creamy. It is just beautiful. I really should buy backup of this because once this is gone and you can't get it no more, I'm gonna be like, no, I need it in my life again. Then just to pop some pink into my lips, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild, and this is the Megalast Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. And this one here is in called Flirt Alert. I just take a little bit of this and I pop it into the center of my lips. Love the applicator on this as well. And just to bring a little bit of pink in there. So you guys, that's it for my natural summer makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love being natural. I love embracing my freckles. I love embracing my natural look, and so should you guys, because that is the most beautiful part about you. Let me know in the comments down below, what products do you use for a natural summer makeup look? Let me know in those comments down below. Also, if you guys like this get ready video with me, give it a thumbs up so I will do more of them for you guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.